Good evening, children. Helga's going to read you a story from one of his favorite books, Falling Up, Shel Silverstein. No, thank you. No, I do not want a kitten. No cute, cuddly kitty poo. No more long hair in my cornflakes. No more midnight mewing mews. No more scratching, snarling spitters. No more sofas clawed to shreds. No more smell of kitty litter. And no more mousies in my bed. No, I will not take that kitten. I've had lice and I've had fleas. I've been scratched and sprayed and bitten. I've developed allergies. If you've got an ape, I'll take him. If you have a lion, that's fine. If you brought some walking bacon, leave him here. I'll treat him kind. I have room for mice and gerbils. I have beds for boars and bats. But please, please take away that kitten. Quick, before it becomes a cat. Well, it is kind of cute at that. Sleep well, children.